All right guys, we are finally to the upgraded rear wing. This bolts on to the factory uprights with no modifications, so it's going to be a really simple install. We're basically going to undo these two bolts. Yes, I understand it's already installed, sorry. But we're going to undo these two bolts, and then we're going to basically bolt on the wing element that we've already pre-assembled, ready to go for you. So basically the first thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen these bolts and fully remove them so that we can get the wing off the car. Generally speaking, the wing will not fall because Porsche has some kind of like a feature where it kind of captivates it, but I'd still be wary, obviously be careful, and don't just like let it slam down. Let's slowly remove them, and it's not bad to have a second pair of hands. Let's get that done. On that note, it is a T30 Torx for those bolts. And for reference, later on, let's see if it'll focus. The shoulder bolt is the rear one, and then the non-shouldered bolt, like so, is the front. And like I said, the wing does hold itself up. We're basically gonna pull the upright out and then the wing will drop. The end plates bolt on with 2.5mm Allen bolts, and those are flathead cap screws. They are 16mm long, and then we have our nice arrow washers that go on the outside. Tightening torque for these bolts are 6 foot-pounds. Do not over tighten them. It is highly recommended to get all 4 of the bolts started and then tighten the front ones first and then the rear ones last. Very simple adjustment as far as angle of attack. Once again, you're going to loosen that front. Up is lower angle of attack, down is more angle of attack. More angle of attack, more downforce, more drag, less angle of attack, less drag, less downforce. So basically tune that to your preference as far as driver feel goes for rear bias. This wing element, highly recommended to have our front aerodynamic devices, although you're welcome to install this for a very rear biased car, which would be safe on track. That concludes the install of the rear wing. Till next time.